Excellent. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good.
Hmm. I watch. I watch hit you. I watch message to you many time, but you didn't reply me that time is because you watch engage in office actually.
No,
Am I
no,
right?
you didn't. No, you didn't. Send any message for me because I'm waiting for 10 minutes.
No, no, no. Uh, I have messaged you. I think I messaged you. My memory, got a memory. I have messaged you.
Okay.
Actually, you forgot. I think I have told you. I think you have forgot me. Any message didn't send, delivered. I think it happened.
Okay. Yeah, you told me that. Okay, I'll talk on 2 p.m. 2:30. 2:30.
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
So I was waiting because just right now I finished my one session on clapping.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Superb, superb. Okay, how was your day? Without conversation.
No, it was good day because I talked 3 to 4 guys since morning.
Oh,
Yeah,
superb. Have you ever talk? Have a conversation with any girls in a group?
yeah. I talked with one girl and two boys.
Superb. Okay,
Yeah,
nowadays you are something um your your communication developing habit of good and
yeah. I'm
nowadays yeah
improving. I'm
yeah you
improving
improved.
because I'm doing practice more and more. So I'm
No,
improving.
yes, superb, excellent
Yeah.
talking. I'm so clapping for you. You are hardworking also like me.
And yeah, you can clap me because I'm a join clapping go.
Clap and show. Yeah, I will
Yeah.
clap you. Then you are also YouTube clapping. Superb,
Yes,
superb.
yes, 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 yes. Yeah,
Think
well,
it's a free dialogue.
yes, yes.
Okay, how is your family nowadays?
Oh, that's question I want to ask. Yeah, my
Yeah,
family, all members are good. And how's your family?
also my family is superb nowadays, and they are enjoying
Oh,
two two
good, good.
weather, winter and summer something mixing. So I have cold last ago 5 days, 2 days I think 2 days. So I had a cold lots so so
I think
somehow
you,
I
s-
could.
I think you should drink, cold, sorry, hot water and medicine also you should take.
Mm, I took. That's why I'm good here. And
Okay.
but
So,
since the weather is changed day by day,
change.
it's been
Yeah, yeah.
changed
Weather
day
is
by day.
changing. Weather changing. Yes, 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 yes. I know. Because I think today's temperature 25, 20, 26. I think Celsius degree.
Yeah, check out. Check out how much.
Today is very hot.
Hmm.
Today is very hot. Yeah.
Hmm. So okay. Tell me something about new environment. What's gonna happen? You are living there.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I'm a swine. That time I watch many videos like clapping and Cambly, and uh, I learned many things from YouTuber, and I also trying to want to learn new vocabulary also because I have a limited vocabulary. So that's
Mhm,
why that's why I'm facing difficulty during conversation.
mhm.
So yeah, and so but nowadays I'm a focusing on my vocabulary and pronunciation also.
Okay. Oh, this is superb. Okay. Sometimes do you feel English teacher it's long, like a profound. English is long. How can I learn speak English? Do you think sometime?
Yeah, of course, of course. It's a language. I think you have to take a long time because it's language you can learn easily. I think one year you can take it 1 year because it's a
You have
language.
thought about English. English will take time.
Yeah, of course,
English,
of course.
I think almost 1 year, 2 year, almost is it will
Yes,
take
yes,
time. You have to wait, you have to hard working, you have to practice consistently. So I think,
yes,
okay.
yes. And I
Mm.
think it's dependent on you. What's your strategy and what's your practicing. So it's dependent that
First of
because
all,
yeah,
it's my talk. Somebody forget how to make strategy of English.
yeah,
Make a strategy. According to strategy, you can speak English. But somebody
yes,
know how to make strategies, English vocabulary, structure, conversation. It's we have to maintain English. First of all, make a strategy English, then you can learn. Otherwise, you have no any chance
yeah.
you
Of
can learn.
course, if you make a good strategy, so I think you can speak easily because you
Yeah.
can. I think first of all you have to understand sentence structure like how to speak how to use say and head and
Uses.
did. Yeah, yeah,
Mm,
yeah. So first of
mm,
all I think you have to focus on your strategy and after that you will speak slowly, I think
yeah,
gradually.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. But somebody nobody want to hard work. Nobody want to face the problems. Somebody
Yeah,
want to
everybody.
only
Yeah,
um,
yeah, yeah, yeah. They don't know, okay, what is the struggle behind of this. They only want to want to speak English in instead in 1 hour.
mm, yeah, I got. Mm. Okay, sometime I know occasionally your friend ask you a question. Some do talk to me. Then your name Sagar, I think Sagar.
Yeah, my name Raju Sagar.
My nickname is Sagar.
Oh, really?
My nickname is Sagar. Also, I have channel is Sagar Goli Star. My Sagar Goli Star
Yeah, you can.
channel. So your friend ask you a question. Sagar, do you speak English with me? Then what do you think that time? How is your reaction that time? Your manager, your also.
Actually, I living in Noida, and
Mm,
in my village, I think 2 to 3% they can speak English.
mm,
But in Noida, I think every person can speak English in my office.
mhm.
So, so I think they they can understand because
Consider,
but
they
but
can
but
consider.
I speak whenever I speak only in front of you and friends because I don't speak in office because
Do you speak English
I
in
seems
office?
that yeah, I seems that I'm whenever I speak English I think
Somebody
I can
blame you,
wrong. Yes, somebody can judge me.
judge you.
He
Yeah,
speak wrong speak. So I
wrong
think
speak.
yeah he's speaking mistakenly. So I think
Mhm.
after few months so I'll speak because at that time I would
Every
have confidence.
beginners, I'm interrupt you. Every beginners is a mistakeness, boy. If you don't mistake, you can't speak. And also in Hindi, when we were child, we started Hindi, but we
Yes,
was
yes, yes.
were speaking wrong. But still, mom, and tight, that used to made you understand many times. Don't speak like this. Please improvement. When you go to like when you used to go to in a public, meaning your friends, then you speak Hindi, then your friend used to judge you what you're speaking. The that time condition and now condition, they are speaking English. It's this same similar something condition.
But bro, it seems I seems that I'm a speak wrong sometime. Yeah, I seems that. But after a few months, so I'll speak fluent. So it's my dream and
Listen,
it's my
listen,
thinking.
listen to me. Listen to me. If I
Yeah.
say you are wrong, if I say you are wrong, what will you think? You
Sorry.
are speaking wrong. If I say to you,
Okay.
Sagar, you are speaking wrong, then how your reaction toward me, about me?
First of all, I would think, okay, what is the wrong, and
Mm,
and after that, I would improve my mistake. So that
mm.
was my reaction. That was
About
my
me,
reaction.
what do you think about me? Extra, like I think, like
But no, no, no,
he's
no, no,
over smart.
no, no.
So,
If I
tell is this dog. He's like a looking like looks like a over smart. He's saying
I
like
think it's your behavior, it's your it's your habits. So I think
I've
I
seen
can't
many
give you.
times. I've seen many people's evils find mistakes, but I don't find mistake. If somebody tell me, then I tell, yeah, your English is good. I something mistake. I know you are mistake again. Then I can judge. It's a bad habit.
Yeah, yes, 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 yes,
Mm.
yes. If
Like you are,
you, Mhm.
mhm, after
Yes,
you.
sir, go ahead, go ahead.
Sometimes we feel, Saka, you are speaking English something good, but you are using particular words. You don't know how
Yes.
to change words, you know how to change structure, how to change vocabularies. You are speaking particular words, frequently words. Then I can judge you. But you are speaking right, but you are one to what you are forgetting. It doesn't matter. You can improvement after that. But never judge to anyone. Yeah, he is a beginner. If you will demotivate to him, he will think about me, about anyone. He is very, jealous boy. He jo
But
making
yes, yes, I agreed with you. I think in our society you can see this type of person kind of because they can demotivate to you only because they I think they very well. Okay, he is good, and after some time he would be good man, a good speaker, a good in our class.
mhm.
They know very well, but I think it's time it's happening in our society. So I think first of all we should avoid this type of person, this type of guy.
Society don't want to let go ahead.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Wow.
but we have
Yes,
to
yes,
go ahead. Competition. No,
yes,
nowadays every field, so many fields. There are so many field competition. Competition is competition. Well, competition.
yes, yes, yes,
We go anywhere really. We can't compare to
yes,
anyone. If you have good
yes.
talent, like a good talent, like a excellent talent, you can go ahead. Otherwise, no chance. You can go ahead.
Yeah, of course, of course. And any field like any farming and jobs and any type business, any
Mm.
sales, anywhere you can see.
Yeah.
Um, Also, even you are doing a small business in our hometown. So I think there you can see many person they will they competition with your business.
Business, backbiting each other,
Yes, yes,
backbiting, like somebody don't want to as first of all, friend to friend make it selfish.
yes,
Really, every field we should
yes,
never
yes.
do this. But nowadays is generation. I don't know how can I how can I make understand to anyone.